5 things I love about my newest listing, 330 East 33rd Street, 18K. Number 1, architecture and design by I.M. Pei. His minimalist design is evident throughout the building. For those of you who don't know, I.M. Pei is one of the most influential architects of the entire 20th century. He designed the Louvre in Paris, and he's one of the founding fathers of modernism. Number 2, we have a high floor unit on the 18th floor with sweeping northern city views. Number 3, we have a full service building with doormen in each of the lobbies. Number 4, we have a private 3-acre park. In fact, it's one of the largest private parks in all of Manhattan. And finally, number 5, interior design that you'll never find anywhere else. Let's check it out. If you'd like to learn more about my listing 18K here at Kips Bay Tower, reach out to me, David.Rosen. I am the key.